This is a 7-bone prime grade rib roast. The most fun you can have with meat with your pants on. Now, we could feed a small army and throw this whole thing in the oven, or we could have a little bit of fun with it. Now that we have two moderately sized rib roasts, we're gonna have a little fun in the sun with one and set the other one aside as a prime rib. Were we to cut this into steaks as is, bone in, we would have bone in ribeye steaks, cowboy ribeyes. If we were to take the bone off, we'd have ribeyes. We're not gonna do either of those. We're gonna get a little crazy with it. We're gonna separate the spinalis, this outside muscle part here, from the center eye there and make some different kind of steaks. Let's go ahead and butcher it up. Some nice meaty back ribs, and we're gonna take this fat off to render down for tallow. Right here, I'm following the natural seam of the meat. This is called seam butchery. You separate the muscles where they want to be separated. Now you can see the three muscle groups here separated. The spinalis, which rests on top, the eye of the ribeye, which is in the middle, and then the ribs on the bottom. Now let's trim these up so they are ready to go. Now what a lot of folks will do is roll this up, tie it, and then cut it into steaks. That's not what I'm doing today. I'm gonna keep it whole and use it as you would like a flank steak or a skirt steak. I can make some tacos with this, or really any sort of sliced thin, grilled hot and fast marinated steak. And this thing is so full of flavor. You know, it's one of the most flavorful cuts in the entire cow. So let's get on to that next part. There we have it, a nicely cleaned up rib eye roast. Buying meat like this in large quantities allows you to save a bunch of money. It's much cheaper per pound to buy it like this, and then you can break it down however you want. Give it a try.